How to cancel auto payment on Amazon Prime Video. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to show you how we can cancel our auto payment on Amazon Prime Video. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. First of all, head over and launch the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone, and then you're going to tap on your profile at the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on your profile. After that, you will be taken to this page where you will be finding different options. We're going to locate the gear icon at the top right, which is the settings. Just go ahead and click on it. And you will be taken to this page with different settings available for your Amazon Prime Video. So here, we're going to scroll down a bit and locate the option called Manage Account, where we will be finding our membership information and payment methods. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, here if you have any membership, you will be finding your membership here. So in order to cancel your auto payment on Amazon Prime Video, you need to end up your membership. You can find this option called End Membership here very easily. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you should be able to end your membership, including your auto payment as well. So that is how you basically cancel your auto payment on Amazon Prime Video by following those methods. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tech tips.